Hey, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. I am on my way to Amsterdam to see a friend who I will be escorting to the hospital where she needs to get some tests. And since I will be traveling and I'll be in waiting rooms and I don't really know what to expect today, I brought my sketchbook and the day will be fragmented. So what if I make that a thing? Maybe I can benefit from that and draw fragments in my sketchbook, which will then be a collection of all the things of the day. So that's what I'll try, and hopefully it will be inspiring for you too. I have about 5 minutes on the station before my train arrives, so I open my sketchbook and I'll be using my Pentel pocket brush pen. And of course I forgot to hit record when I started this first drawing, but I will be drawing more, so that's all fine. And with the pocket brush pen I can work really quickly, and when you have just 5 minutes before getting on the train, drawing quickly is a great thing to do. So I'm observing people that are also waiting for the train. And there it is. On the train, I keep going. I am looking at people's feet and trying to draw these sneakers while the train is quite wobbly. And of course she has changed position of feet, so I'll just move on to something else. I'm drawing her head now, actually. Again, it's wobbly, but I don't mind, because drawing is just a fantastic way of spending time when you are traveling. She's back in that same position with her feet, so I'm going to add the other foot to give it a little bit of more of context, although I feel like it's a bit out of proportion, so I'm trying to fix that. And the overlap, I don't love it, so I'm choosing a white crayon for fixing that. And I can actually also use that on this guy's hair. I like a little bit of texture. I have arrived at my friend's house and brought her to the hospital, and she is in for her tests. And while I'm waiting, I'm just looking around and drawing the things that I see. A wheelchair, a chair in the waiting area, the coffee machine that is out of order. And when I look behind me, I can see people walking up and down the hallway. So this is a fantastic way to study people and do it quickly. And because it's a busy area, I can draw someone, and then when they have moved on, I'll just draw the next person to finish the drawing. I'm deciding to add a little bit of text also, because it explains a bit more about all those moments that I am drawing here. And a lady came sit close by, so I wanted to draw her, and then someone else sits there too, and he just bent over looking at his phone. So I thought that was a really great overlap to also draw. And I like how his face worked out, very minimal. My friend is all good, she's back home, and I have a little bit of time left before getting back on my train. And close to the train station is the market. So I do a quick drawing there, just 5 minutes. And I'm back to the train station. And again, I have about 5 minutes. So I draw someone else who is waiting there, and it's windy. Man. On my way back home, along with others on the train whom I can draw. And when people are on their phones, they are really great subjects to draw. Also adding a little bit more of that white crayon for some texture and some clarification. And a guy just came in who was speaking on the phone loudly, and now he is working on his laptop. So that is also a good subject as he is concentrated, looking down. And I'm back home. I'll make myself a coffee because I have a little bit of white space left in my sketchbook. So while I sip my coffee, I will draw it, and then I can finish off this full page of snippets that are showing all the moments during my day. I hope you enjoyed joining me on a day out and drawing snippets in my sketchbook, which is basically mapping out the day. And I really hope that you will try this too for your own sketchbook. So here's your assignment for this week. Fill a page or a double page full of snippets of your day. You could also divide it over your week. So you could do a drawing every day, for example. No pressure there. Just keep on filling the page. And if there's a drawing in there that you don't like so much, it doesn't matter because it will be surrounded by other drawings, and that will distract from the not so great drawing, if there's anything like that at all. Have fun. I will see you next week. Bye.